talk about how can you fix this problem on your Peacock app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Peacock app, or just click on search. Then here at Peacock, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.